So I want to separate these names and their department into their various departments. Okay, so how do I go about it? I'm going to use the filter function for this. Equal to filter, then the array is the name. So I'm going to log this using F4 once, then comma, then the include is the department we want to separate them into. I'm going to shift down. I'm going to log this also, then equal to each of the headers, which is each of the departments. I'm going to use F4 twice. Alright, then enter. So it's going to separate it into various departments. Then all you need to do is to drag it and then autofill for the other departments. Yeah, quite easily done.